Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hello guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Synergyrevo located in Chennai. So they are looking for customer service executive position. So freshers and up to 6 months of experienced candidates both are eligible to apply. So coming to skills, the candidates should have fluency in English to apply for this position. So interested candidates, you can like if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID and you can walk into the interview on the provided address. And if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can reach out to them with the given contact numbers. That's it in this video guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.